Good morning, everyone. I'm Asta, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, Geek scores. Google rolls out new accessibility features. PhonePe enables UPI payment acceptance with Lanka Pay. Xiaomi launches Redmi Note 13R in China. Meta tests TweetDeck-Like experience for threads. TikTok tests 60-minute video uploads. Reddit shares rise following OpenAI partnership and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are set to debut on July 10. A Geekbench 6 listing confirmed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The device's benchmark scores were slightly lower, likely due to it being a pre-production sample. The tested model had 12 GB RAM. Google introduced new accessibility features across various products on Global Accessibility Day. The Google Lookout app now allows users to search for specific objects like bathrooms and sitting. Lookout also provides notifications about the distance and directions to these items. The Look to Speak app introduced a text-free mode for selecting customizable phrases with eye movements. PhonePe and Lanka Pay organized an event in Colombo to announce the enablement of UPI payment acceptance across Lanka QR merchant points. The event is attended by senior dignitaries from the Sri Lankan and Indian governments. His Excellency Sri Santosh Jha, the High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka, graces the event as a chief guest. Sri Santosh Jha highlights the importance of fintech connectivity in enhancing overall connectivity between India and Sri Lanka. Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 13R, a budget 5G smartphone in China. It features a 6.79-inch FHD plus 120Hz LCD screen with an 8-megapixel front camera. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 Advanced Edition with up to 12 GB RAM. Storage options go up to 512 GB and the design includes crystal glass with IP53 ratings. Meta is testing a TweetDeck-like interface for threads on the web. The new interface allows customizable feeds stacked in columns. Users can create separate columns for searches, tags, accounts, saved posts, and notifications. Specific columns can auto-update in real time. TikTok is testing 60-minute video uploads in select markets. The feature aims to attract YouTube viewers by offering longer form content. TikTok's previous upload limit was 15 minutes, which has steadily increased. The longer videos cater to creators' needs for more time for various content types. Reddit shares rose 14% following the announcement of a partnership with OpenAI. The partnership aims to enhance Reddit's user experience with AI-enhanced features. OpenAI's technology will be used to build new tools and features for Reddit. Reddit's content will be integrated into OpenAI's ChatGPT platform in a structured manner. This is Asta signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for latest tech news. Reddit shares rose 14% following the announcement of a
Welcome back to the weekly news recap part 14. Here are the top stories from this week. Paytm enables direct FASTag recharges via its app amid RBI restrictions, ensuring smooth operations. Pawan Duvaluri appointed to lead Microsoft's Windows and Surface teams, while Mustafa Suleiman joins as head of Microsoft AI. AAP leaders share an AI voice clone of Arvind Kejriwal's message, raising authenticity concerns. Canva acquires the Affinity suite of creative software to bolster its range of professional tools, marking its largest investment yet. Zoom introduces Zoom Workplace, an AI-powered collaboration platform catering to modern work needs.